What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about the difference between Visa and MasterCard. So ano nga ba yung kaibahan niyan guys? Kasi madalas natin yung nakikita sa credit cards natin at saka sa debit cards. Ano yung epekto nito sa credit cards and debit cards natin? So kapag Visa yung credit card ninyo or yung debit card ninyo, ano nga ba yung kaibahan niyan? At saka kung MasterCard naman, yung credit card or debit card ninyo, ano nga ba yung kaibahan niyan? Kaya naman sa video na to is i-share ko sa inyo yung key difference para ma-distinguish ninyo yung talagang kaibahan ng bawat isa sa kanila, which is yung Visa and MasterCard, and how does it affect to your credit cards and debit cards. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Visa and MasterCard are both global payment networks that facilitate transactions, not banks that issue cards directly. The key difference are minimal for daily use, mostly involving exclusive bank-dependent perks, slight variation, and international acceptance or premium card tiers, example is Visa Infinite versus Visa World Elite. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin. Visa and MasterCard are both global payment networks that facilitate transactions. So meaning, lahat naman sila is parehas lang yung functions nila, which are both global payment networks that facilitate transactions. So meaning kapag nag-swipe kayo ng credit cards ninyo or naggamit kayo ng debit cards ninyo, sila yung nagfa-facilitate ng transactions na yon. Meaning, kapag ginamit ninyo, because of them, kaya nagpo-push through yung payment natin using POS or points of sale of that merchant. Then, the key difference are minimal for daily use. So, ibig sabihin, minimal. So, parang kunti lang naman yung difference niya. Later, I will talk further or we will dive into deeper about the difference of Visa and MasterCard. Slight variation in international acceptance or premium cards tiers like example is yung Visa Infinite or yung Visa World Elite. So, meron siyang kaibahan guys when it comes to international acceptance, yung Visa and MasterCard. Key difference between Visa and MasterCard. Let's dive deeper about these two things, which is yung Visa and MasterCard. Acceptance and network. Visa is often seen as having a slightly higher volume of transactions and wider global acceptance, roughly 130 million merchants. So as you can see dito guys, si Visa is madalas siyang nakikitaan na mayroong mas mataas na transactions. Wider global acceptance, at the same time, tignan nyo naman, roughly 130 million merchants. Imagine 130 na tindahan yung tumatanggap ng Visa payments. While MasterCard naman guys, has improved coverage in specific international regions and sometimes offers slightly better exchange rates. So as you can see dito guys, better exchange rates. So meaning, it relates to currencies. It's because it offers better exchange rates. So meaning, kapag nagbabayad kayo using your credit card, kung MasterCard ito, may better exchange rate siya. Like for example, kung naka-peso yung credit card na yun, so ginamit mo siya for dollar payment doon sa ibang bansa or outside the Philippines, may better exchange rates offer siya. Perks and benefits. The specific bank issuing the card, example is yung Chase or Citi, determines rewards, interest rates, and fees, not the logo on the card. So yung perks and benefits niya guys is yung mga bangko is nag-issue siya regardless kung ito ay Visa or Infinite. What matters is the rewards, interest rates, and fees, not the logo on the card. Kasi di ba nakikita nyo lagi yan yung Visa at saka MasterCard. So parang it's okay lang. Yun nga lang, when it comes to international transactions, there's a slight difference between Visa and MasterCard. Network benefits. Both offer services like fraud protection. So, parehas lang naman yung Visa and MasterCard, nag-o-offer sila ng protection when it comes to transaction. As you can see, fraud protection, travel insurance, and extended warranties. But exclusive perks like airport lounge access or concert services are dictated by whether it's a Visa Platinum or a MasterCard World, for example. So, even it's Visa or MasterCard, pares lang sila guys na pwede nyo magamit sa concert services or airport lounge access. So ngayon, let's talk about naman the difference about debit card and credit card when it comes to Visa and MasterCard. So ano nga ba yung kaibahan nito kapag sa debit card or sa credit card natin i-apply? Credit cards. This allow you to borrow funds up to a limit set by the issuer, which you pay back later, potentially with interest. They offer higher fraud protection and better rewards. So, when it comes to credit card, guys, yung difference naman, yung impact naman kumbaga ng Visa and MasterCard sa credit cards natin is, paano naman sila nag-a-allow ng funds, no, for us to borrow from it. Kung magkano yung sinet na limit ni issuer, like BDO, BPI, East West, Metrobank, China Bank, yan. Which you pay back later. So, it's a credit card, so swipe mo yung card, then later on, after the statement date, you have to pay for it before payment due date. Sa debit cards naman, so ano nga ba yung impact ng Visa and MasterCard sa debit cards natin? These are directly linked to your bank account, drawing funds instantly with each purchase. They generally have fewer rewards programs than credit cards but help manage spending by avoiding debt. So same lang din, itong si Visa and MasterCard, it also facilitate the transaction, no? Adlib ko na lang, kapag ginamit natin yung debit cards natin kapag bumili tayo sa isang tindahan. You can have your funds from your savings account with that bank. It's because that debit card comes with Visa and MasterCard linked to your savings account, which is yun yung babawasan. As you can see, but help manage spending by avoiding debt. So kung yung debit card ninyo, yung ginamit ninyo na may MasterCard and Visa, so yung savings ninyo yung magagamit. Compared to credit cards, uutang kayo sa bangko ngayon. Network usage. Whether you get a Visa debit card or credit card or MasterCard debit card or credit card, both can be used for online shopping, in-store, or at ATMs. So as you can see dito guys, whether it's credit card mo ay Visa or MasterCard, kahit na yung debit card ninyo, kung Visa man yun or MasterCard, parehas lang sila nagpa-function ng the same details. So there's nothing to worry about. But when it comes to international transactions using your credit cards, the exchange rates, sometimes MasterCard offers better exchange rates. Which is better? Neither is generally better than the other. The decision should be based on the perks, interest rates, and fees offered by the bank issuing the card, not the network logo. At the end of the video, you have just proved that parehas lang sila sa debit card ninyo nagpo-function, no? Kasi Visa and MasterCard is a payment networks to facilitate transactions. But one thing I noticed is MasterCard offers better exchange rates in using your credit card outside the Philippines. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!